What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? This is an Emarchency collaboration. So, y'all, today we are here. We were invited by the budget prepper, Natasha, to join on this collaboration. And we were like, why not? Yeah, let's talk about how we prepare here at Black's Tropical Homestead for an emergency. So this collaboration is put on by the budget prepper. You should go and check her channel out. Now, there will be a huge giveaway April 5th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at the Budget Preppers channel. To enter that giveaway, you have to comment under the Emergency Collaborators videos. These videos are amazing. They give you tons of ideas on things you can do to prepare for emergency situations. Sometimes we don't see things coming, and most of the time it's hard to prepare for things that you don't see, but there are things that you can do to make life a little more comfortable just in case something come about. And what we have in our bag, you can survive a long time. And I'm going to show you that. So definitely make sure you go and check out all of the other videos that are in this collaboration. Subscribe if you like them. Leave a comment, because that is how you enter the giveaway for April 5th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check out the description box. I'll leave all of the channels. I'll even do you a favor and leave all of the sponsors that are donating things for this giveaway. So, with that being said, let's talk about what we have in our bag. So the first thing we have, I'm going to talk about, because I'm going to unclip my bottle, is this water bottle. Water is very important. Water is essential anytime, but definitely in an emergency situation. Now, sometimes you can't get clean water. Get it out of the creek. Wherever you are, get you some water, because we need water. This bottle has a filter in it. You just fill it up. When you drink out of this straw, it will filter and clean your water 99%. So you definitely want to make sure you have some type of filtration system so that you can have clean water for yourself and your family. Now, in this bag, there are over 151 pieces, voila, that can help you get through some sticky situations. I'll go over a few, but I'll also leave the link for this bag. You can find it on our Amazon storefront that will explain all of the parts in here. So here we have a bracelet. This bracelet has a compass on it. It's also a rope. So you can break this rope down or take it apart, and it's about 8 feet long. So that can help you. You have a bandage or a tourniquet. You can use that to tie off a bleed, or to use it as a sling for your arm. You have a blanket in here. This blanket will keep you warm. You never know if or when you may need this. And you may need it for your pets. You may need it for yourself or somebody else. But it's definitely handy to have. You have glow sticks in here. You have gloves, more rope, fire starter. You have a key that will open cans. You can open things with. You can also measure things with that. These are Q-tips. You have an axe. A whole axe in here, y'all. We need, when you least expect it, it's like, why I need an axe? You never know. But it fit in this bag and it's handy. You have fishing wire, hooks, and lures. You have an entire tent, emergency shelter. You have a saw, fire starter, gloves, poncho, camping light, first aid kit, utensils to eat with. You have utensils to cook with. Everything you can think of. 151 pieces are in this bag. And it's so small, compact, and convenient, because again, what do you know for sure that you may need? So if you just keep this bag in your car or keep it in your home somewhere where you can grab it when you need it, you have it. And you won't panic. So, I say that, in an emergency situation, you won't panic so much. But that's a panicky situation. Now, this bag came with all of this stuff in it. So again, I'll leave that link down in the comments for our Amazon storefront where you can check this bag out. It is very inexpensive but handy. Now, what you do want to do is personalize it. Add your own stuff to it. So you need food. We have food here. This is crock pot chicken Alfredo. This is enough for my husband and I to eat a couple times. It's just freeze-dried and packaged. We'll eat that, whether we have to eat it crunchy or add a little water to it. But we have beans to get clean water and have food. We have pemmican, which is that old school way of eating in an emergency situation or while out and about. We keep cayenne in this bag. Cayenne pepper is good for blood flow. Keep those arteries open. It can give you energy. If you are cold, little cayenne. If you have a cut, all you need to do is put a little cayenne on it to stop a bleed, can stop a heart attack. You should carry cayenne everywhere you go. You should have a little cayenne. Oregano oil, antibiotic, nature's antibiotic. If you have a cut or wound, you need an antibiotic or something on it, oregano oil. You can also take this topically, and it can help you get through some things also. Comfrey salve. If you are bit by a mosquito or a bee or anything, gnats, you step in an ant bed, you sprain your ankle, you break your ankle, you have achy knees, anything, bruises, comfrey salve is great for that. What else we got in here? Salt. A little red and real salt. So when you're drinking water, you need minerals. This is magnesium. These are all the minerals you need. So we keep a little pocket shaker in our bag also. Pain away oil. We make our own pain away oil, and it does exactly what it says. Keep the pain away. You can find this oil at blackstropical.com. It does just what it says, but it is something that we keep in our emergency bag. So you want to personalize your bag. Again, I'll leave all of the links down in the comment for all of the channels in this collaboration. Amazon, where you can find this bag. Our storefront, our website, where you can find our products. So I hope this gave you some ideas of what you may want to think about doing for your family. Make sure when you pack your bag, you have enough for your entire family, or at least your household. So this bag will definitely sustain my husband and I in an emergency situation. And there's so much we can do with the products that are in this bag. We have them. It's convenient. Can throw it on around our back, strap our water bottle to it, and the hands are free just in case we had to carry something. So definitely look into something like this. It is very inexpensive, but an amazing product to have. Again, check out the description for all of the channels in this collaboration, all of our sponsors in this collaboration, and make sure you are at the giveaway on April 5th when the Budget Prepper get ready to give away these amazing gifts from our amazing sponsors. So if you are not following us, again, remember you have to comment under the videos. The more comments you leave under each video, the more chances you have to win. Let us know down in our comments, what do you do to prepare just in case? I mean, it's hard to say, what do you do to prepare for tornadoes or hurricanes or earthquakes or snow events, or what do you do to prepare yourself and your family? Your tips may help someone. They may help us. Together we are stronger. And when we share knowledge and have these conversations, it helps one another. So again, good luck to everyone that comment. I hope you win something great. This is a great way to get started and being ready. And it's very important. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Don't let nobody steal your joy.